So what are the key message for this module? Okay, what is animal cell culture? How to culture animal cells. You will learn this in the practical. How to genetically manipulate cells. And what are the applications from the genes and protein technologies in cell culture? And how to use DNA database and molecular tools. So we will have 4 topics: animal cell culture, gene technologies, protein technologies, and bioinformatics. So these are all the learning outcomes for our module. Okay, you can look through. So in terms of the assessment, you will have assignment, which is 15 marks. So the assignment is a group-based assignment. You will need to divide yourself into groups of 6 or 7 members. So you need to fill up the assignment grouping in the link, which is a Google Sheet. Okay, so you need to fill up your names as soon as possible because I will need to assign the titles to each of the groups. And each group will be presenting in the designated weeks. For example, group 1 and group 2 will be presenting on week 4, group 3 and group 4 on week 5, okay, and so on. So for this one, it's an oral presentation, okay. So we also have an online quiz which will be held on week 11. So this is a bioinformatics quiz. It is 5 marks. And for the practical component, we have the report writing, 10 marks, and lab performance. So this is to assess the aseptic technique or the lab skills. So this is for 5 marks. So other than that, we also have the participation marks, which is 5 marks. I will let you know what is how do we calculate these 5 marks, or what do you need to do in order for you to obtain these marks. Okay, so we also have midterm exam, 20 marks, and final exam. So the assignment is group-based, so you need to form 6 to 7 in a group. Okay, I have informed you just now. So week 4 will be group 1 and 2, week 5, group 3 and 4, and so on. So the title will be given 3 weeks before the assignment. So now it's week 1, right? So week 4 will be the presentation week for the group 1 and group 2. So how do we do this assignment? There's an instruction in Times course page, so you need to look through the instruction there. It is given in a step-by-step manner. So first of all, you need to prepare your presentations and upload to the SlideShare. Okay, so you need to look into the Times instruction. I have provided a set of instruction for you to upload the SlideShare presentation, and the students are required to present orally their analysis of research. So basically it involves the following sections: basic concepts, applications, current developments and challenges, references, question and answers. So this question and answer part will include both the oral presentation and the comments that you receive from the SlideShare. So I will not need a lot of slides, so you should not have more than 10 slides excluding the reference. So you need to include your cover sheet, feedback form, and the peer review forms. So please submit this assignment cover sheet and feedback form and complete the survey for the peer assessment. So this peer assessment is for you to assess your group members whether they have contributed to the assignment. So I also have some of the Acculearn videos. For example, some of the lectures, 1-hour lectures, I will replace it with a video. So you will need to click into the video, okay, to go through the lecture notes, and I have the online activities which you need to complete upon watching the video. So you need to complete either the quiz or some of the questions. So this will be marked as your attendance for the lecture capture videos. So for my tutorials, it can be done online or face-to-face. So you need to check the weeks in which we will have tutorial from the module information booklet and updates in times for the activities to be done. So for lab assessment, we have 3 worksheets, and it is an individual base, okay, 1 mark for each worksheet. Full report, 5 marks, is a group-based report. Short report will be 2 marks. It is also group-based. So I will need you to submit both full report and short report through the assignment link that I have set up in Times. So you do not need to print out your reports, you just submit the soft copy in the PDF format online. And for this lab skill assessment, it is 5 marks. So these 5 marks is not entirely given by the tutor or the demonstrator. So 1.5 marks will be given by your peers. Okay, so there's a assessment or questionnaire link in the Times course page. So once after week 13, I would need you to fill in the questionnaire, and you need to tell me how well your peer have perform their experiments, how well are their skills, can they answer some of the questions, do they prepare for the lab. So each one of you will need to review one of your friends. So you will need to let me know who you are assessing. Okay, so everyone will assess one of their peers. Okay, you can choose yourself. So you should choose someone within your practical groups. Okay, so there will not have any clashes of the class. So choose your friends in the same practical group and assess in terms of you can observe them throughout the practicals. For example, from practical 1, 2, 3, and 4, have your friends or your peers improve in terms of their aseptic skills. So you need to observe from time to time and give the marks based on what you have observed. So this 1.5 comes from your friend. The 3.5 marks is from the demonstrator or tutor. So you will have a 15 minutes assessment on your skills and techniques. For example, your skills, your aseptic skill by the tutor and demonstrator. I think it's on week 13. Okay, so you will have a lab skill test carried out by the tutor or demonstrator on week 13, and this peer evaluation is throughout the whole or the entire practical session, throughout from practical 1 to practical 6. So for the last one, participation. So I would need your participation in the class activities or these online activities. Like we will have the LAMS session. So what is LAMS? It stands for Learning Assisted Management System, or some of the YouTube videos that I will post online. So I will set up some quizzes or some activity. So your participation in these activities or quizzes will be counted in the marks for the course. So you need to participate in the voting, giving short comments or views or even discussions. So please check for the activities before you come to the class and after the class. Thank you.